Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Giant. I mean, his voice is a giant too. How tall is Top? Is he like 5'11" or something like that? 6 foot? I'm not sure. I forgot.
Our music.
Our music. The swamp of despair just made me grow. Boom, boom. Sorry. This is my second time listening to this.
어차피 우린 우주 먼지 마지막 될 수 있는 편지 The documentary 거인의 전기 션들레 형이 말했었지 어차피 세상에 없던 일 자본이 겁을 내는 미치지 겁쟁이들은 섬짓대기가 뻥질 지금 내 몸짓 티라노 덩치 그저 조연시 너조차 멈칫 I feel like pop 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 wow
I feel like pop 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 pop. Sorry to pause. I'm just very curious to see how long T.O.P has had this, you know, like written out, whether it's like pretty recent. I mean, he probably said it in like maybe an interview or something like that, but I'm curious like how long he had this written out or, you know, thought in his mind to make this into a song. Because at heart, I feel like he still loves music. He loves art. He's an artiste, I think, whether it be painting, film, you know, he need like, you could tell, bro. And he's weird, bro. Like, true artists usually are freaking weird in general, in a good way. But, yeah.
사슬풀기 내 황금기 날 물어뜯어대도 다 fame goofy 나의 고빛 각성하는 동기 인생이 회박해도 life goes on lies on me 반복되는 장작물과의 내 실수 하룻밤을 사랑하고 했다면 실증 책임지지 못한 나의 감정 기복 하나 때문에 왔다리 갔다리 해도 난 초집중 지금 내 몸짓 티라노 덩치 그저 조연시 너조차 멈칫 I feel like pop 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 티라노 덩치 지금 내 몸짓 저울에 섰지 그저 조연시 위대한 성취 내 왕국을 다시 다먹 10년 만에 끝내 off the grid
I like the chorus a lot now more. I feel like the first one, without knowing like what it's the meaning of it, I liked it, but obviously I was still unaware, like I don't know, right? So breaking the chains, my golden era, let them tear into me. T.O.P ain't goofy. My lowest lows are just fuel to wake me up. Born a freak, but life goes on. All eyes on me. Hey man, my repeated fuck ups with my own creations. Fall in love for a night, sick of it by sunrise. My mood swings that I can't even handle. Flip flopping over one little thing, but I stay hyper focused. Top recreated his verse from Loser by Big Bang. I see, yeah. My repeated mistakes with women, loving just for one night, then getting tired when the sunrise. My selfish pleasures that I can't take responsibility for has ruined everything. But in this one, my repeated fuck ups with my own creations, fall in love with the night. It's like, that I can't even handle, flip flopping. Dang. I really like the pop up pop up, like he's going poop, 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 like kind of like growing into a T-Rex size. My moves right now, T-Rex size. I mean, he is making moves that are more than just music. It's just it deals with his real life, no? Like whether it's going to the moon, you know, he's willing to do things to, you know, live life, get inspiration. Just, you know, I feel like people don't realize that you need to live life to create music, man. I mean, like in the K-pop world, I feel like as artists, you need to live life in order to make music and put out the music that is true to you. Right? I don't know. What are your thoughts? Sorry, I'm probably gonna stop and like rant a little bit here and there, because, you know, T.O.P, Big Bang is so close to me, and just seeing them grow and just them telling their stories, you know, it's almost like hearing a friend like talk about it finally and like put a shine on it in music.
Mysterious. Run.
Become the giant. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link for my Patreon and become a member now.